Just a little update on the pocket clock. I've extended the effective battery life by using digits, so it actually displays the hours and minutes there as digits on a 3x6 dot matrix, and I found I could read that a lot faster than binary. I was spending quite a lot of time decoding the binary. You couldn't just sort of instantly see the time like that. So I've sort of estimated that it's probably better than half the time, so that's doubled the battery life effectively, because I don't have to spend so long looking at the time to decode it and hence burning battery. So I've made another one here. This is the board out of the case. I've changed the code in this one as well. So this one's red and is displaying the time. This one's blue for no reason at all really, other than I wanted to see the blue. And running the same code internally. I did originally look at running BASIC on this, the Picomite, but the problem with that was, one, I couldn't actually get the GPIOs to program properly. I couldn't sort of have programmatic pin numbers, and also it can't use the second core. Now on here I'm using the second core to scan the LEDs, so whatever's going on, USB or whatever in here, doesn't affect the display of the time, which is quite nice, and it makes the code a bit easier. You can do whatever you want in the main loop, and you can't do that with the Picomite. It's only got one core, but I thought it would have been quite nice to actually have a basic computer as well, but unfortunately it didn't work out, although you can obviously just switch the code over if you don't want it as a clock and have it as a computer in your pocket displaying whatever you want up here. So yeah, so that's still running, hasn't used too much battery on the one that I've been using here over, what is it, a few days now, nearly a week, so we'll just have to see how it goes. And it's obviously easy to swap batteries out. You can keep the time set just by swapping out one battery at a time, well, or two or three even, so that means you don't have to set the time when you change the batteries. If you do need to set the time and also start the RTC chip, that needs a kick to get going initially. You do that over USB. There's a USB interface there, USB serial. But yeah, so a little update. Let's just put the time up again. Was it 7:36? There you go.